Hey guys, how are you? Let me apologize right off the bat because this is a precursor to the video that you're going to see that's going to immediately follow this. I did some pre-filming and I have some videos that need to go up, but I didn't have my advent calendars yet and I forgot about that. So, therefore, I need to open up my advent calendars. The lighting is bad, my makeup is bad, and I am bad. I'm so exhausted, I did not have the wherewithal to set up my lights or anything. I didn't even touch up my lipstick. I threw on some tinted lip gloss. So, I want to get into my advent calendars because I want to show you what I got, but also, for exhausted as I am, I want to open my advent calendars. So, I'm actually even sitting in a different place. I'm kind of sitting in the entrance to my bathroom so I can get some light. Anyway, TMI. At least I'm not on the bowl. You know what I mean? Yes, Baxter, I know it's different. So I'm just going to reach behind me and grab those advent calendars. Since I grabbed the Target Beauty one first, let's open her first. And I hope it's something that makes me happy because I need happiness. I have to finish editing that video and get this clip in and edit, get it up, and then go to bed. I'm so tired. Anyway, we're on day 4. Yay, day 4. It's a decent sized door, not drawer. See, I said it right. And okay, it's a perfume sample. I'm not mad at that. This was not an expensive calendar. This one is Good Chemistry. And I think that says by Margarita Violet? Maybe that's not by, but maybe that's the name of it. Okay. It's actually a really good size sample, to be honest. It's like bigger than they usually come. Can I ever get through a video without my memory card being full? I sincerely doubt it. Anyway, this is a really nice size sample of this perfume. I wish it was a spray bottle, but I'm not going to complain. I don't like these silly things. I just do this. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. That's kind of sweet smelling. I'm horrible with descriptions, and I don't have my glasses. But, see, this is what I meant, like, you know, when you put something on and you're immediately like, oh my goodness, I really love that. I really love that. Okay, that one makes me happy. That's a good one from this. Yay. Now let's get into the big monster. Where is day 4? Day 4 is a tiny one. Teeny tiny. What will she be? I think it's another perfume. 2 perfumes in a row? Did I get a yeah, I got a perfume yesterday. Let's see what she is. I wanted this. Oh my goodness. All right, you're going to think I'm nuts. On the way home, I was thinking about La Vanilla because my friend had mentioned it and it popped into my head. And I swear to you, I did not open that door. Psychic, I guess. It's a rollerball, and I just put that one on, but okay, that is unbelievably amazing. I am so happy. I love that. My memory card is going to end in about 30 seconds, so you're going to see the video that's coming up in just a minute. Love you guys. See you soon. Mwah.